First lady. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Today we got for them first lady. You know what we're making for them first lady? For the family member? You know we gotta get on the NYC, the chopped cheese. You know what I'm saying?
Cheese?
Chopped cheese. So you know, Pastor Richie in the kitchen alongside First Lady. So First Lady, come over here with me, please. This is First Lady favorite right here. You know I can't get the ground beef because you know she get crazy if I get ground beef. So I gotta give it ground chicken, you feel me? I got 2 of these joints, you know? 2 package, you know what it is already. I got my giant bread. Can't show them. Okay, I got my mayo, you know what it is, Dukes. I got an onion, I got a green pepper, you know, I got a tomato, you know. For the last, you know, I ain't feel like getting the other, what you call it, lettuce, so I gotta go with the bag one, you know, something light. Then you know you got the cheese, you feel me? And then right now, that's my ingredients. So come over here first, come on. You got it already?
Yeah, you can use any cheese, but we're gonna use
we're gonna use yellow cheese. All right.
Okay? And then you're gonna need a mixing bowl to mix up your meat.
If they want to mix up the meat, because I'm gonna make it into a patty. You know, people already buy into a patty already. I'm gonna make mine into the patty, then put it in it. Gang. Come over here. Oh, don't forget this one right here. Feel me? So here we go now. Come with me first, lady. You with me? So right now, what I'm gonna use, I'm just using that good old Everglades. You know what it is already. You know? A little bit of this.
What's this?
That's black pepper. When I turn, it's gonna turn to black pepper. And a little bit of Old Bay. All right. I was gonna say obey. All right. That's all I need. That's all I need. But I'm not gonna use all of that. You don't need all that.
Okay. And you don't need all these seasonings.
Nah, you don't need all that, First Lady. Because look, right here, this got everything in there already. You feel me?
Okay.
So I already told you about the family members about it already. You feel me? All right. So we over here now. So first, what we gonna do now? I love to freehand. You know what I'm saying? So you're gonna. My hands is clean already. I already washed my hands. Okay. I'm gonna cut up my onions. So this is what I do. I don't use cutting board. That's me. I can't use cutting board. For me, a freehand. So this is what I do. I got my plate. Take off that piece right there first. And I just do this. I'm giving you the NYC chopped cheese. So when you go to NYC, tell them Richie sent you for that chopped cheese at the corner store.
Bodega.
Corner store, that's what we call it over there. You know we do already. So look. Okay, First Lady. So got me? Okay. This is going to be for then later on. We'll make some more. So this is decent now. Alright? Then can't beat the green pepper. You gotta get it. A freehand, you feel me? Some green pepper. Take out this, take out that. Good to go. Here. Put it here. You know what I'm saying? Slice it up. See? I love my stuff them big, you know that already, family. Catch me and catch the food and stop catching me on the camera, First Lady, please. Don't let me have fire in my youth. All right. Yes, freehand. I can't do that. Chop. I'm not a chef, okay? But I does my thing. I told you that already. So here we go. We're gonna cut up this one right here in it. Right now, family. Now we at the good part, you know? This is the part. See, as I said, some people already buy the patty that's already made. I'm gonna season mine, right? So you know. I said, stop with the camera for me and look at my food, my you. So we going to the obey, you see me? Put it, Darcy, come on now. You got to give it that love. All right? All right. I told you about this is the, listen. Make sure you catch this, okay? Look at, now look at the miracle that does. See that? You see that? Look at that. You know that. I got to make sure I made this good because First Lady favorite right here has got the ground beef. That's true. I got to have the Everglades right here. So you know, this was gonna make everything pop right here. You feel me? All right. Don't be stingy with it now. Just throw some in there. You feel me? That's good enough. All right. Ready now, First Lady? Woo! Get it all up in there. Get it all up in there. Throw some love in there. Some more. Get up in there. All right. It's cold enough.
And you guys, you don't want to over season this.
Yes.
You want to season it, but not over season.
Ooh, it's cold.
Because it's very easy.
Lift up my sweater, please. All right, now, family, that's done. Okay? So now, damn, it's cold, family. So now, I need an next plate. All right, family, it's cold. We're gonna turn it into a ball, you know? Woo! It is cold. First lady don't eat a lot, so I gotta make her ball them small. You like the ball them small?
No.
Alright.
So why you forming it like a ball first though?
Because I'm gonna make it to a patty after.
Oh, you're gonna flatten it out?
I'm gonna flatten it out.
Okay.
It's cold.
So how come you don't just put the ground chicken in the pot and just saute it that way?
No, I don't want to do that. I want to make it the way, you know what I'm saying?
So
because
what is the
I
difference?
told them before, because it's no different. I just told them before, if they don't have the patty, they could do it this way.
Oh, okay.
I already told them that.
So, but the reason why you're doing it this way,
Yeah.
so when you fry it,
it's already seasoned.
and it's more fryer.
Fryer.
Okay, that's what I was asking.
Damn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wonder if this is enough for me and you, because you know I love my sandwich, a lot of meat. All right. That would be good. Put that on for later. All right.
Let me see.
Yeah. Put it on for later,
So
right?
that's how it looks before.
Yeah.
And this is how it looks after.
Okay.
And then he's gonna flatten it out.
Okay.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna flatten it out. Ooh, it's cool. Like a burger, you feel me?
Oh, that looks good.
Oh, that's nice.
That looks really nice.
That's nice, I know. Like a burger, you feel me?
So this is called choppy chop. Chopped cheese?
Yo, chopped cheese, boy, choppy chop. Yo.
Oh, it's called
son.
chopped cheese.
Chopped cheese.
Okay.
I don't know why they call it chopped cheese, and it's only 3 pieces of cheese you put on it.
Yeah.
But it's busting though.
It's busting.
Yeah.
You ever had this in New York?
Nah, when I was in I said these kids nowadays, they make name for everything. We didn't have this in New York when I was growing up. They call it chopped cheese. Only thing we had was cold cut sandwich and that's it. Bacon, egg, and cheese and stuff like that, you know?
Okay.
All right, there we go, family.
Ooh, the hair looking on fleek.
Don't do that, I'm cooking now.
Okay.
All right. Family, that's how I look right now. So now I'm gonna wash my hand off, okay?
That looks
And then I
good.
get back to you when I'm putting the oil in the pot and get everything ready.
Okay, so what the hubby did was he put some oil just to coat the bottom of the pot. And he's gonna fry the patties them first.
No, I fry the onion with the patty them together.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm gonna fry the onion them with the patty them together. You know what I'm saying? Decent medium, you know? Yeah, I gotta know your temperatures. I can't tell you what temperature to put, you know? This is a ghetto cookie right here.
And you see he pre-sliced up the onions and green pepper already.
Yeah.
I saw him do that earlier.
We're gonna get the pot hot a little bit
And
first.
the patties are here. You have 5 of them. It depends on how many people you're serving. You can make more or less. And then, see the oil right here? Just wait until it comes to temperature. You don't want to throw onions and stuff in here and the oil is not hot.
True.
This is going good.
Gang, you know? Pastor Richie in the building. You know what it is already. So let it get hot. I'm done with this. I could put my stuff back. You know what it is already.
So you clean as you go.
Clean as you go, always. You have to do that. You know what I'm saying? Yo, why many people don't see my cabinet, man? I tell you about that all the time, you know? Stop do that. Many people don't see my cabinet, my youth. You want a jerk chicken one? Come, I'll give you a jerk chicken one. Pick it out. All right, that's that. All right, Tom. All right. Pot is already hot. You hear that? Wow. That's nice.
Woo. Man, that smells so good.
Good, don't you, right? Family, what I'm gonna do first, I could do, but all the patties them won't fit in here. Think patties will fit in here, Tom? No, right? What I'm gonna do is fry this up first, then get my patties ready, and then throw this on top of it and mix everything together. You know what I mean? I don't have a bigger thing so to put everything in one pot, but I'm gonna let this go and sizzle down, get a little color. You know what I'm saying? Decent. So let it go and do its thing right there. And I'll come back to that. Next time you see me is when I'm taking it out, okay, family? To put in the patties, all right? And all right, family, now. I'm taking this off right now, you know? Put it back on my plate, because remember, I'm going to put it back in the patties, okay? And take it off.
So you're gonna use the same. You're gonna use that same pot.
Same pot.
Okay.
Has the same stuff. Ain't nothing changed. It's just because I didn't have a bigger pot. I'll cook everything in one time. You know.
But that's good because you got all the flavor from the onions and the green pepper. Everything is in the pot.
Come on, one piece. Family, if y'all wasn't looking at it, eat it, you know? You know I gotta taste my thing. All right. All right, now family. Now I'm gonna put the patty on. That's the sound I like. AMSR.
So how long does the patty is cook for?
You want to get a little bit brown, then you start doing your thing.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? When it start getting brown, then you start doing your thing. You don't want too much oil in here because you know this is going to make oil itself. You understand, family? So you don't want too much oil in here.
Okay.
You're going to watch it till it start getting brown, then you flip it.
You're going to flip it, you're going to smack it, and then you're going to rub it down. Uh-oh.
So now, right, I'm going to flip it. And then when I flip, I'm going to start chopping, putting the onions and stuff in there.
Ooh, that looks good.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Turn down my fire a little bit, you know. Okay. Then now, excuse me. Come with me over here. Grab this back right here. Throw it up back up in here. And then start chopping. You know? This ain't that sharp, but, you know.
Oh, so is that what they call it? Chop cheese?
Right,
chop.
I know you gotta chop. Chop and then mix up, you know? And this is ground chicken, remember, it's not the beef. Okay? So if you want to do with that one, chop.
You can do ground chicken, ground turkey, ground beef, it doesn't matter. It's just gonna be the same concept.
And then just mix. Look.
It looks good. So you just keep on chopping until you get it small pieces?
Small pieces.
Or you want big pieces?
It doesn't matter. Big, you can make it big or small, but you gotta make everything get to color. You gotta cook it now.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna cook it down until they get a little darker. You know what I'm saying? Put everything up in here. So you wanna feel a chunk of meat, you know? Get a little brown.
Okay, family, so this is how it looks after Richie's been chopping it for about maybe 5 minutes. He's just chopping and making it, you know, small to medium pieces. If you like it smaller, chop it small.
Okay,
no,
now.
You can't do that something that might eat.
Now I gotta go get cheese now.
Ooh.
All right, we're almost there. Okay. All right, family. It's right the way I want it. Look.
I couldn't see.
Maybe?
You put it too high. It's all right.
Family, I taste it.
You just want to put it right in his mouth.
Family, I taste it. It's well seasoned. Look at it. Okay. Now, put my cheese on. Whoa. It's the cheese for me. Again, family, you can put any cheese you want on it. You understand? Any cheese you want to put on it, you can put on it. You like it cheesy?
I love it cheesy, man.
Cheesy. One more?
Yeah, man. I instinct you with the cheese.
Let it. Then we're gonna let that cheese melt down on it.
That's it?
Yeah. That's all I'm saying. Only thing you're chopping is the meat. I'm saying let cheese melt down. First lady, when the cheese melt down, they're gonna catch me going to putting the stuff on the bread.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
All right.
Woo!
Cheese is melted.
Wow.
All melted in there.
That looks so good.
So now what I'm gonna do now is put my mayo on the bread. You know we love our mayo. You feel me? All right.
These fries.
All right. we love mayo in this house. So you know, if you don't have mayo, use Miracle Whip. Or you could use the Cool Whip, whatever you want, as long as it's a whip. So you know, we get it like this, you feel me? Cause we love mayo, I told y'all. Just spread it like that, we use a spoon, you know? Spread it out. We love it, both sides too. You feel me? Oh, you can see?
Oh yeah, they can see.
Okay, they can see.
We
love mayo, family, I'm telling you.
So you only put in mayo?
Nah.
You got some more stuff?
I got more stuff.
Ooh.
Come on, First Lady, what you gonna do me like that? What I'm saying.
I'm asking questions for the audience.
Yo, come on, they know what Richie do already. They know what Pastor Richie do in the kitchen. Yes, we put a lot of mayo. We told y'all we love mayo. Y'all don't believe us. We go through these like nothing.
And plus, it's a big piece of bread. This is a huge bread.
This is a big, huge bread. You know, me alone can't eat this, you know? Okay, there we go with the mayo. We good. We Gucci with that. So here right now. You know we can't leave out the Chick-fil-A. You know that.
So is that something?
It's not necessary. We put it in there, you know.
Okay.
But this is what's necessary right here.
Some ketchup.
You know we gotta do this. You know when we do this. You know what time. You know what we are. You know it's like the juice. You know what we do. So you gotta get it. Sprinkle some on that joint like that. You feels me? Yeah, both sides, B. Don't matter. There we Gucci right there. Then we come in with the meat. Excuse me.
Oh.
Just take. I just
want to
go around.
You got me? We go around.
Got me?
Mm-hmm.
Got me? First, are you sure you got me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How does that look?
Good.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
All right. You got to spread it out for the people, you know? Hey, family, listen. We can't share today. Hold on. Gotta spread it out. No. Spread it?
Mm-hmm.
You know, we do a getaway. You know how it is already to get a fabulous, you know?
That's a big sandwich.
We get a fabulous right there. How does it look, First Lady?
Good.
Okay. First Lady don't eat a lot, so you know what it is already. All right. That's that, right? Keep watch. Don't go nowhere because you're going to miss out. Okay. So now.
So you put the Chick-fil-A sauce
I'm gonna throw
on top?
I'm gonna put it on top of the tomato and thing.
Oh.
But it's up to you. Anything for you. Do you want to put it on the meat?
It doesn't matter. You're the chef. You're the chef, Richie. I'm just asking for the people there.
It's open? Yeah, I'm gonna put it on the meat for First Lady, okay?
I'm asking for the people because they're gonna want to know.
I put on the meat First Lady. Oh, look at that. You don't have to, but we love the Chick-fil-A sauce. If y'all go to Chick-fil-A, you already know what time it is already. Then I come through with this. Feel me?
Lettuce.
You know, again, my hand is clean. So let's get some lettuce. Sprinkle that joint up here. You know? You feel me? Light work. No? First Lady, you want lettuce, right?
Of course.
Okay. Light. You know, hold on. Let me get my open. Come on. You gotta open it. Come on now. Why you do that?
You're there pimping out the sandwich, spreading her legs open.
Freaky sandwiches, man. We love the lettuce, you know? All right. That's Gucci, all right? We're done with that. First lady already did the honors of me, for me already, by cutting the lettuce. So we just place it here.
Cutting the tomato.
Tomato, you know what I mean. Here.
Ooh, you know what I want on my side? But no, it's not tradition. I want some jalapeno.
Here, whatever you want is ours. We just making it, you know?
Damn, that looks good.
Here, hold on. And basically, y'all reach this far? It's over. So catch us when we eat this. All right? Bye. Cookie with Chef Rich.